Hi boys and girls, this is our math for Tuesday. We're going to be multiplying fractions, but then we have to sort them. We have to put them in they equal less than 1, they equal 1, or they equal more than 1. So I'm going to show you on my paper first because I want to explain a couple of things, and then we'll go to IXL. Okay, so let's look at my paper. Oops. Okay, so I have 2 times 1/4. I've told you that's going to go up there. So we have 2/4. These, the 5 goes on top. And then the 4 is 4 times 1. And your denominator just stays the same. So this is smaller than your denominator. When your numerator is smaller than denominator, it is less than 1. So 2/4, 2 is less than 4, so it would be less than 1. 5/4, my numerator is bigger. So if your numerator, I would write this down, is bigger than your denominator, it is more than 1. So the 5 is bigger than 4, so this is going to be more than 1. 4 is bigger than 2, so it's going to be more than 1. Okay? 1/3 times 1 is 1/3. 1/4 times 1 is 1/4. 5 times 1/3 would be 5/3. Okay? If I look at this, my numerator is smaller, so it's less than 1. My numerator is smaller, so it's less than 1. My numerator is bigger than my denominator, so it's going to be more than 1. When does it ever equal 1? Look at this. 1/4 times 4. Remember, we just put the 4 up on top. Okay, whoops, I forgot to write those. Okay, 1 times 5 is going to be 5/4. And then 3 times 1 would be 3/4. Okay, so 4/4. When your numerator and denominator denominator are the same. Numerator and denominator are the same. It equals 1. 5/4, the 5 is bigger than the 4, so it's going to be more than 1. 3/4, the 3 is less than the 4, so it's going to be less than 1. Okay, so let's look at IXL on the computer. Okay, So remember, I told you that when you multiply by this, it's going to be that same number. It's going to be this number. Okay, so you have 1/4. The numerator is less, so it's going to be less than 1. 3 times 1 would be 3, so that means 3 is less than 4. It's going to go there. This will be 5 over 2, 5 halves. 5 is bigger than 2, so it's going to be greater than 1. Okay, take this number, put it on top. 4/4. Oh, they're the same, so they're equal. Put this number on top. 1/2. 1 is less than 2, so it's going to go there. Less than 1. 5 halves. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 is greater than the denominator, so it goes there. Okay. 6, we put the 6 on top of the 2. Whoops. Put the 6 on top of the 2. 6 halves. 6 is bigger than 2, so it's going to go over here. Put the 3 on top. 3/3. 3 and 3 are the same, so they equal 1. Put the 1 on top. 1/6. 1 is less than 6, so it's less than 1. 2 goes on top of the 8. 2 is less than 8, so it goes less than 1. 6 over 6, they're the same, so they equal 1. 4/6. 4 is less than 6, it's less than 1. 4/3. 4 is greater than 3, so it's greater than 1. And then we put 6 over 3. 6 is greater than 3, so it goes over here. That's all you're doing. Okay? Take this number, put it on top. 3/6. 3 is greater than or less than 6, so it's going to be less than 1. 2/8. 2 is less than 8, so it's going to go here. 4 halves. 4 over 2. 4 is greater than 2, goes there. 4/8 would go right there. Okay? Whenever you have 0, it's going to be 0, so that's less than 1. 2/3, less than 1. 2/4, the 2 is less than the 4, so they're all less than 1. Okay, whenever you see zeros, you can automatically put it in less than 1. 6/8, 6 is less than 8. 1/8, less than 8, so it goes there. You're going to keep going. R.4, math R.4. Have an awesome day.